in this problem we have given an arrow is shot into the air and its path is given by the equation h is equals to minus 4.9 multiplied with t minus 1 whole square plus 6, where h is the height of the arrow which is above the ground in meters. So, this is in meters, and t is the time since the arrow was shot in seconds. Now, we have to find the maximum height. So, here we have to determine the maximum height. So, here we have h is equals to, this would be minus 4.9 multiplied with t minus 1 whole square plus 6. So, first step is to do the differentiation. So, this will be dh divided with dt, and this can be written as h prime. So, here this would be minus 4.9 multiplied with 2, and this would be t minus 1, and this would be 0.